Hi, my name is Laima. In this time, when we move away from hierarchy, when instead of having command and control, we look to have more trust and inspire, there is one question. Do we all get what trust is? I want to invite you to explore trust as a topic together with a team or together with an organization. What we will do together, we will look to the newest researches that speaks about trust, how to have more trust in the team, what helps us to build more trust with each other. We look in trustworthiness, looking like to the mirror, to ourselves. What helps us to create more trust and what prevents us from being trustworthy with one another. In addition to that, we will look at communication, how to have communication models in the organization that will inspire and enable growth of individuals, that would have transparent communication with each other, feedback culture, instead of gossip and toxic behaviors or artificial harmony. In addition to that, I will invite you together to explore diversity of the team. And what do I mean by that? We will use Gallup Strengths Finder as assessment to see the differences of the team members that they bring to the team. But not the differences of age, gender, where they're coming from, but what strengths they bring to the team and how you can use as a team this resource to build trust-based organization, to build community, not just individuals working apart. If this sounds interesting to you, reach out, let's talk. What kind of format would work the best for your team or your organization?